Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends for market research. So first thing that you will do is simply go to trends.google.com, guys, and this will be their homepage right here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and choose explore over here. And now you will have here the location. So I recommend going for the worldwide, and you will have here the time frame or the time range. And most importantly, for the market research, just simply select all categories over here and just simply select the category of the market that you want to dive in. So let's say I'm going to go for games. And now here you could have web search, image search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And after that, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here all of the topics that we could use that is being searched as of now. And you can change the category as well to rising and top. And now you could also add a search term. So let's say the game that I will be focusing is Minecraft. So guys, this will be just an example. And from here, just simply select one. And now from here, as you can see, we will have here different options. And after that, guys, you could compare it as well by adding another keyword. So let's say the other one is Call of Duty. And if we scroll down, as you can see, we could just simply see what is their difference when it comes to search. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.